Hey guys, today we are with the Friedrich Ern Solingen. I believe this razor is a 4.8 or maybe a 5.8. I'd say more a 4.8. And I really like the shape of the scales and even the color of it. And there's a really cool logo on top. Here it is. Really nice one. Friedrich Ern was born in, I believe, the 1850. So he started building razors at the end of the 1800s. Here is a cool logo also on the blade, Camisoria Especial, and that's it. So you can see here the brand. It's a Solingen, obviously, and on the other side the eagle, double head eagle with a straight razor. So here is our age from stock. It's not too bad, but as you can see, there is nowhere near shave ready. So we'll have to work on it, obviously. Alright, there is no dent, so no need for a diamond stone at first. So we're gonna start with an Aniva 1000. This is a great stone to start working on a fresh bevel, or even to build kind of a bevel. I'll protect the spine as usual with some tape, put a Sharpie marker on the edge to see if the blade is flat enough. Put a thin layer of water on the stone, and as always I like to raise a slurry on any synthetic stone. So to do so I will use an Atoma, and this one is a 600. It's a very polyvalent diamond stone. I really like this stone. Alright, now we have a slurry, and we're gonna start with some gentle back and forward, just to see at this stage if the marker went away all along the blade on the edge. And let's have a look. Yeah, just a tiny bit left on the tip, really on the nose, which is not too bad. We can play with the wrist later on. That's okay. Okay, no, we will continue with the back and forward, and then the usual leg strokes. And as you will see, I will lift my wrist a little bit on the nose, just to make sure I'm covering the whole length of the edge. Alright, now that looks already a lot better. It's nice, tidy, no dent, no rust, no oxidation. That's good. Alright, now I used the 5000, the Sharpton 5000 after that. I won't show it to you because I'm always doing it on all the videos and we save some time. But as you know, I love this stone. And then I moved to my JNAT Nakayama LV5++. So this is a Japanese natural stone. That's what JNAT means. Alright, just some water on it, and we'll start with a slurry stone. This one is the Asano Nagura Tenju. And the Tenju is around 7-8K grit. Again, no pressure, we take our time, and we raise a nice slurry. Bring it towards us. Perfect. And then I will always put my slurry stone on dry paper, kitchen towel or anything, just to make sure that it's not soaking in water. Alright, now we are being gentle, and at this stage just egg strokes. And you see I raise slightly my wrist at the end. But again, that it doesn't mean you need to do it all the time. It depends on the blade and what the marker will tell you. Alright, this is done. We're gonna dry our blade and have a look under the microscope, the edge. Oh yeah, it's looking a lot better. Looking nice. I love the slurry Japanese stones. Perfect. Now I use then the Asano Nagura Mejiro, which is around the 910K. And then I use an Asano Nagura Koma, which is 12K. And finally, I use Tomanagura, and this one is a Nakayama Asaki. So it's on 15K plus. So we take our time again, no need to put any pressure. There is nice slurry, not too thick, not too much. And that's it. And now we only use the weight of the blade. See, I'm only using the two hands to counterbalance the weight of the scale. Only few laps. When the slurry starts becoming a bit thick, it's time to stop. You can check under the microscope if the old marks from the previous stone is gone. That's perfect. All right, looks good. Looks very good. It's a bit shaky. Sorry about that. Yeah, happy with that. Now, really like the shape of this razor. Really cool scales. Now, I have used my Kanayama 60,000 strop. I've done around 150 laps on it. And now we're gonna do our usual hanging air test. All right, let's see. Not sure if you see the hair jumping out of the blade, but at least you can hear it, hopefully. Yeah, it's cutting it very neatly. And that should, I'm saying should, guarantee a smooth shave. It's not always the case, but almost guaranteed. And actually, the next video will be a shaving session with this blade, with this razor. So I'll confirm with you if it's giving me a good shave or not. Hope you liked the video. If you did, always appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Have a good day. See ya.